Hello everyone, and today I will show you how to log in to Emirates account. Now, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser, and once you open your browser, you should type here in the top, here in the search bar, Emirates. And now once you find it here, you will find this section right here, Fly Emirates. You just can click on Emirates Fly Better right here, and after that it will show you here this page. It is in Arabic, but for the demonstration of the video I'll make it in English. So I'll simply click on this section right here, then click on English right here, and for now, as you can see, it is now in English. Now what you should do to simply click on the login on the top right side right here. Now once you click on login, here you will find this page. You should enter here your email or Emirates Skywards number, and after that type here the password and check this box if you want to be logged in and if you want to keep logged in this browser or in this PC. And you can even click on forgot your email or account number if you need that. And once you finish typing your email or Emirates Skywards number and the password, just click on login and you will be logged into your account. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and goodbye.